Hi, I'm Daniel Jeyasundrakumar. I am the Chief Executive of Cosmopolitan College, Brunei. I've been in this role for the last 14 years and I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I was never an academic, so I always enjoyed and I learned by doing things. So BTEC was the perfect qualification for me to explore that sense. Pearson program started with Cosmopolitan in 2017, and it was a strategic move because we saw that Brunei needed a qualification which would prioritize skills and prioritize adaptability into this market. Pearson perfectly complemented that vocational structure that we wanted to create. So this is how we get them industry ready. So students are in different groups, they are doing different activities so that when they get to the industry on the first day itself, they are extremely ready for what is coming to them and they can really focus on what the industry requires for them. We conduct a 1-month program where we focus on public speaking, project management, interview skills, and also skills that are really required by the industry. Students have so much of ideas today. They are so creative. So I think when choosing an education or the pathway, there are only 3 things. If it is going to be globally competitive, if you are passionate about it, and you have a future on it, then you have the answer for it. At Cosmo, with our partnership with Pearson BTEC, we encourage and we facilitate learners to walk out of this place job ready.